Hey traders, Raghee here. I'm going to share with you 3 ways to know how a stock is going to break out. So let's take a look at this chart right here. This can apply to any time frame. This can apply to any symbol. We're looking for 3 main characteristics. The first characteristic is the structure of that time frame. Breakouts happen in the best way in uptrends. The way that I confirm an uptrend is with this indicator at the very bottom of my chart. It's called the multi-structure, and it measures the momentum and the trend, both of which ideally are bullish when we're looking for high probability breakouts. The second thing I'm looking for is what is the trigger that is going to set up a trade before the breakout. All right, so this is a little bit different. Most traders are looking for the actual breakout. But what if I told you there's a way that you can understand how to buy even a slight dip before the breakout so you're not reliant on higher highs to make a profit? What if it stalls out? Can you still have a profitable trade? Absolutely. So the second thing I look for is something called a Darvis or a Darvis box. And in a Darvis box, you have support and you have resistance. By waiting for price to come down to this support level, you have a pattern that has a high probability of breaking out, but you also have a couple levels along the way to take profits off the table in case that breakout doesn't happen. The last thing I'm looking for when I'm looking for a breakout are the candles themselves. So these are top tier candles, and the green candles mean that both the participation, the momentum, and the trend. So I'm already looking at momentum and trend. Now we add in participation. We need people for a breakout. We need people willing to be buyers on breakouts. And that's exactly what these candles measure. So I want at least 5 green candles for a high probability breakout. If you put these 3 things together, what you'll find more often than not are high probability scenarios for continuation to the upside, including breakouts. If you're looking for trades like this and you want to be able to take advantage of breakouts in the current market, come check out what we're doing in the Sector Secrets Mastery. You can join me for $7 an entire 30 days where you get not only setups, I'll teach you how I'm setting these things up. You'll get a lot of resources to learn how to position size trades and what type of symbols are ideally candidates for breakouts. That's a $7 trial for Sector Secrets Mastery. I'll see you inside the room.